mana?
I'm trying to teach you something here.
Wait for me.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
So beautiful.
Hi.
Hello.
Lily. Oh my God! Look at that. Lily, what is this?
Oh, hi, baby.
Aww. She's pregnant.
Oh, the egg is carnival. So suggest to touch it.
Bye. Apa? Mana?
I'm not gonna hold you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can part now. You want